Hello students, today I am going to discuss chapter number 3 electrochemistry lecture 3. Student, in this lecture we will discuss method of measurement of standard electrode potential. So to measure the standard electrode potential of a metal electrode, 1 molar solution of the electrolyte of metal is taken in a beaker and metal electrode dipped in it. This constitutes the metal ion electrode. Student, first of all, we will prepare 1 molar solution of the electrolyte of that metal in a beaker. Then we will dip metal electrode into this beaker. This electrode or half shell is connected to a standard hydrogen electrode through a salt bridge. So after that we will connect this electrode with standard hydrogen electrode with the help of salt bridge. Then electrode are connected to voltmeter. From the measured EMF value of the cell, the standard electrode potential of half cell is calculated by the given formula. So students, first of all we, we will join our electrode with standard hydrogen electrode, and after that both the electrodes are joined with voltmeter. To calculate the value of our electrode, we will apply the formula EMF of the cell. EMF of the cell equal to reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode, or E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So students, we will see the deflection of voltmeter with the help of which we can find out which electrode work as cathode and which electrode works as anode. Measurement of electrode potential of magnesium ion and magnesium electrode. So the standard electrode potential of magnesium electrode can be measured by connecting the magnesium electrode immersed in 1 molar solution of magnesium ion with SHE. So students, as I have discussed, first of all we will prepare 1 molar solution of magnesium ion electrolyte and dipped magnesium electrode into this electrolyte, and then we will attach this magnesium electrode with electrolyte with SHE, standard hydrogen electrode, and then both the electrode will be connected with voltmeter. In this case, oxidation takes place on magnesium electrode and reduction takes place on hydrogen electrode. With the help of deflection of voltmeter, we will see that oxidation takes place at magnesium electrode. Means in this case, E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. E naught cell equal to E naught cathode. How? We will know that with the help of deflection of voltmeter. So through this deflection of voltmeter, we will see that hydrogen electrode work as cathode and magnesium electrode work as anode. So what is your formula? E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. In this case, E naught cell equal to E naught hydrogen electrode minus E naught magnesium electrode. And we know that the standard potential or standard reduction potential of hydrogen electrode is 0. It is considered as 0 for all cases. Therefore, E naught cell equal to 0 minus E naught of magnesium electrode. After that, E naught of magnesium electrode equal to minus E naught cell, means the value of voltmeter with negative sign will give the value of reduction potential of magnesium electrode. So students, in this case, first of all we will prepare magnesium electrode by dipping the metal rod of magnesium in magnesium electrolyte. Then we will join this magnesium electrode with standard hydrogen electrode, and then both the electrode will be connected with voltmeter. With the help of deflection of voltmeter, we will see that which electrode work as anode and which electrode work as cathode. In this case, hydrogen work as cathode. Therefore, we will apply the formula E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Because hydrogen work as cathode, therefore we will write hydrogen at this place and magnesium at this place. And we know that the standard reduction potential of hydrogen is considered as 0. Therefore, E naught cell equal to 0 minus E naught of magnesium, means E naught of magnesium, reduction potential of magnesium in standard condition, will be equal to negative value of E naught cell, means value of E naught cell with negative sign will give the reduction potential of magnesium in standard condition. Drawback of SHE. It is difficult to maintain the unit concentration of hydrogen ion. The hydrogen electrode get poisoned even in the presence of trace of impurity. It is difficult to maintain 1 atm pressure of H2 gas uniformly. So, okay students, now we will see other topics in next video. Thank you.